sports meet ke bakat sau bal pelong dak pasar dawar cluster haki ars ngilente kalau poi se bekut akan rutrik nubnai haki senong kamsing senong kamsing kedai senong kebetulan harut kuwa mentedu dan poi se kena senong kena school bagi nahikai ke bahap hapok cluster pasar dawar ki hap ban syong dak ling kenda ban poi se kena senong ban simenta hakane ka sports meet ki school ki bahap hapok cluster pasar dawar ki dan kendai teli Kentup and Rutli nak kedan lower primary school, berlaitli nak upper primary school. Dan bahasa tuli kisnong di bahap apa cluster prasaduar kilong ke prasaduar lompengat harkena bat kisnong kamsing. Hagini arsngi dikena kilayolat panikun hagijeng lakai beper. Ya kenam best match pass hakerdan upper primary school layora dan harkena upper primary school. Hakerdan LP school layora dan prasaduar government LP school. Kadbaya kenam best discipline layora dan kamsing lower primary school. Kelado hagijeng lakai football nak kaliang kisenrang layora dan harkena upper primary school bat nak kentai pat layora dan prasaduar upper primary school. Hakerdan lower primary nak kaliang senrang layora dan kamsing LP school bat nak kaliang kentai layora dan harkena government LP school. Hani sengi la samru ya kusnam best athlete syaki sangut dikena di bapau bah hagijeng lakai. Kedan upper primary school kibeyo ya kenam best athlete kidai usuman todu naga karkena upper primary school bat kedayu mika sela naga pasa dawar upper primary school naga lower primary pat layo federation swear bat ke kobita tati kibana ka kamsing lower primary school ya kene sports meet la play daw general secretary kisnong kamsing Uma Agustin Pambelang hagijing don lang girurang ba kisnong hinong ki kamsnong bat kena school
dengan aspek kita bagi nai Srimati Salmi Shela aspek tengah kini Armut kila ai Salmi Shela nak senang pasedwa kini Armut kila ai donation ya tak cluster kejangi to blame kurku kerja itu hai kino kibenta
Okay.
Ada Amy.
Ada satu sama Leo.
Lah,